It all started as a hobby. The Matanić family farm is located away from the bustle of busy main roads, in splendid natural surroundings between Punta and Verbnik on the greenest of the Croatian Isles, the island of Krk. The farm stretches over nearly 16 hectares of beautiful forest and pastureland and is enriched with 350 alpine dairy goats of French alpine breed. The idea for creating this superb farm was brought about through the vast amounts of land that are still part of a great family heritage and needed in order to expand the farm. The Matanić heritage share a desire to return to traditional family values, using nature and its natural resources, and enhance the once neglected pasture lands and woodland with groves of olives and lavender. In addition, they also wish to make more of their goat farming opportunities by making use of the amazing grazing facilities on these pastures, which are abundant in many different types of Mediterranean plants and thereby offer excellent dairy products made from goat's milk.
And this farm was started by my father in 1931. As you can see, everything here is all natural. His goats eat all natural food. There is nothing here which is contaminated with pesticides. Also, what I like to tell you that this is an island which is called Island Krk, and we have quite strong winds from the sea. So the salt from the sea also helps the animals, and we don't have to even use the salt in the stables.
The Matanić family goat's cheese has a remarkably full aroma, is incredibly rich in flavour and is absolutely pristine, all of which has been confirmed by their many awards for quality. Family wishes to present to visitors and farm guests the rich fauna of the unspoilt natural surroundings of the Kirk Isle. The Matanić family farm has added value with their indigenous Istrian Boschgarin bulls, survivors of an almost extinct race now considered to be Europe's largest mammal, and the donkeys, to which of course a visit is highly recommended.